Gary Thomas here. 47Sports Live2 Food Network.
You really love yourself, don't you?
I love myself. That's Aaron, Shayna.
We love him too. Mwah!
Bird's got fucking 40 seconds left, and it's a American Rhapsody up in this bitch. I'm hungry. I haven't eaten. Taking like 9 shots though. We got everybody here acting like a bunch of clowns. Shayna's big ass tits.
Hey, no, Nick, you got it.
Tommy, Darius, my mother, fat ass Charmaine, Jen, Rachel, Dominic, Steve, Darius, Paris, Marissa, Savannah, Tiffany, Sheila. I think I got everybody. Timer is on. It's fucking popping. Ham's going in. The remaining stuffing. All the food. I'm gonna need a little cooperation right now. I don't know what I'm gonna get, but I'm gonna get it. Fuck it, I know I'm gonna get it. They're building dominoes. I'm building hunger. Here we go. Birds coming out. Stay tuned. Everybody, gonna have to pick that up.
Okay, I'll show you my dog really quick. My new dog.
Can you just pick up the hand?
Yeah, look.
It's the same fucking dog.
Yeah, you can't tell them apart. I'm gonna pick it up. Oh, it's not hot. It's not even hot. I got it. Oh, maybe a little.
What's up? Here we go.
Oh, that sounds good.
Just a little golden singe. That's because I got the spicy mayonnaise. There you go, man. I'm gonna pick back up. Everything's ready now. Turkey.
We should have lifted the wrap up.
We can do that.
Only a chef would know that.
Chef, he's
really good.
What's going on here? We need
Biscuits.
biscuits and rim.
Well, he's the cook, so.
Either I burn them or I take them out too early and eat them.
What else? That's it?
That's it. That's a wrap.
As soon as the biscuits are done, the turkey is done.
Oh no,
Live.